Mysterious time travel is a captivating concept that involves the hypothetical movement between different points in time, often using a device or natural phenomenon. In the realm of storytelling, especially in the context of kids solving history's secrets, time travel serves as both a magical and scientific gateway that fuels the imagination and provides a platform for educational exploration. It allows young adventurers to traverse the bounds of time and engage directly with history, solving mysteries and uncovering secrets that have shaped the world. The significance of introducing mysterious time travel in the context of our main topic lies in its power to make history tangible and interactive for young minds. By allowing characters to experience historical events firsthand, it encourages a deeper understanding and engagement with past cultures, events, and figures. It transforms the learning of history from memorizing dates and facts into a vivid, experiential journey. This approach not only makes history more interesting, but also cultivates critical thinking and problem-solving skills as kids piece together historical puzzles. Real-world applications of time travel, though still purely theoretical, include its portrayal in literature and media. Classic examples include H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, which explores the potential consequences of time travel and instills a curiosity about future possibilities. In children's literature, Mary Pope Osborne's Magic Tree House series introduces time travel as a tool for learning, blending history with adventure, making it accessible and exciting for young readers. Opinions supporting time travel stories often highlight their educational value and ability to stimulate a passion for learning. They argue that such narratives can inspire children to explore history and science with enthusiasm, promoting a sense of wonder and discovery. Challenges and controversies surrounding the concept of time travel include debates over its scientific plausibility and ethical implications. Some skeptics argue that time travel could lead to paradoxes, such as altering historical events, which could have unintended consequences. Others question the appropriateness of presenting time travel as a realistic possibility to children. Connecting this point to the broader topic, mysterious time travel is the mechanism that enables the narrative of kids solving historical secrets. It sets the stage for various adventures and challenges, driving the plot and character development. Additionally, it opens discussions on historical accuracy, the importance of context in historical events, and the impact of individual actions on the larger tapestry of history. In essence, mysterious time travel is not just a fantastical idea. It is a narrative tool that enriches the storytelling experience, blending education with entertainment. The role of ancient artifacts in uncovering historical mysteries. Ancient artifacts are tangible, physical objects from the past that hold immense value in understanding historical events and cultures. They serve as a bridge connecting us to bygone eras, offering clues about how people lived, what they valued, and how they interpreted the world around them. In the context of mysterious time travel, kids solving history's secrets. These artifacts become tools for young adventurers to unlock secrets and piece together narratives lost to time. The significance of ancient artifacts in this storyline is profound. They not only propel the narrative forward by serving as key plot devices, but also educate the young audience about the importance of historical preservation and archaeology. By engaging with these objects, the children in the story learn to analyze, question, and deduce, skills essential for problem solving. A real-world example is the Rosetta Stone, which enabled the deciphering of Egyptian hieroglyphs. Its discovery was pivotal in understanding ancient Egyptian civilization. In another example, the Dead Sea Scrolls provided insights into the early biblical period and early Judaism. These artifacts are not just historical items, they are keys that, when correctly interpreted, unlock vast amounts of knowledge. Supporters of artifact study argue that these objects provide invaluable primary sources that tell stories about the past, offering perspectives that written history alone cannot. They emphasize the role of artifacts in education, suggesting that they can spark curiosity and a lifelong interest in history and culture among youngsters. However, the study of ancient artifacts is not without challenges or controversies. Issues such as the looting and illegal trade of artifacts pose significant ethical dilemmas. Additionally, some argue that the interpretation of artifacts can be subjective, with different scholars offering varying conclusions based on the same object. This raises questions about bias and accuracy in historical reconstruction. In the context of the story, ancient artifacts are intertwined with other aspects of time travel. They serve as anchors in different historical periods, offering the young protagonists a tangible connection to the times they visit. By solving the mysteries of these artifacts, they uncover larger historical truths, reinforcing the show's overarching theme that history is a puzzle waiting to be solved. Through these connections, the narrative not only entertains, but also educates, highlighting the intertwined nature of time travel and the quest for historical understanding. The mechanics of time travel in children's literature refers to the imaginative frameworks and narrative devices authors use to enable characters, often young protagonists, to journey across different time periods. These mechanisms serve as the backbone of time travel stories, dictating how and when characters can move through time. Typically, such mechanics range from magical objects, like a watch or a book with mystical properties, to scientific inventions such as a time machine or portal. In children's literature, these elements are crafted to spark curiosity and provide a sense of wonder, making the impossible feel achievable and grounding the fantastical in a set of rules that young readers can understand and follow. This concept is significant to the main topic, mysterious time travel, kids solving history's secrets, because it provides the tools and context for young characters to engage with and uncover historical mysteries. The mechanics of time travel are not just plot devices, but serve to enhance the educational and imaginative appeal of the stories. Allowing kids to explore different eras, meet historical figures, and understand past events through an adventurous lens. Examples abound in our children's literature. In Madeleine L'Engle's A Wrinkle in Time, time travel is facilitated through a concept called a tesseract, combining science fiction and fantasy to enable the protagonists to traverse space and time. Another example is the Magic Treehouse series by Mary Pope Osborne, where a mysterious treehouse transports the main characters to various historical periods. These stories illustrate how unique time travel mechanics can lead to exciting and educational adventures for young readers, fostering a love for history and critical thinking. Opinions supporting this idea often highlight the educational value these stories provide, as they seamlessly integrate learning into engaging narratives. They promote creativity, problem-solving, and the understanding of cause and effect across different timelines. However, challenges arise in maintaining logical consistency within the mechanics, which can sometimes lead to plot holes or confusion among readers. Critics also argue that an over-reliance on fantastical elements might detract from historical accuracy or educational potential. Despite these challenges, the mechanics of time travel are integral to connecting the fantastical elements of the genre with the historical and mystery-solving aspects of the narrative. They lay the groundwork for young protagonists to step into the role of detectives, allowing readers to vicariously experience the unraveling of history's secrets through the eyes of relatable characters. In this way, the mechanics not only drive the plot, but also enrich the thematic exploration of history and mystery. Mysterious time travel. Kids Solving History's Secrets delves into the fascinating concept where young protagonists are thrust into past eras, uncovering enigmas and altering their understanding of history. Time travel, in this context, serves as both a fictional device and a narrative tool that bridges the gap between past and present, allowing characters, and by extension the audience, to explore significant historical events firsthand. Through this lens, children are not mere observers. They become active participants in historical narratives, unraveling mysteries that were previously confined to textbooks. The significance of this point in the broader topic lies in its ability to engage young minds with history in a dynamic and interactive way. By placing children in the role of detectives of the past, these stories foster a deeper connection with historical events and figures. They instill curiosity and critical thinking, encouraging young readers or viewers to question and analyze historical narratives rather than passively consuming them. Two prominent examples that illustrate this concept are the book series The Magic Tree House by Mary Pope Osborne and the television show Doctor Who. In The Magic Tree House, siblings Jack and Annie travel through time to solve problems, meeting historical figures and learning about different eras. This series captivates young audiences by embedding educational content within thrilling adventures. On the other hand, Doctor Who often features episodes where children, either as main characters or companions, interact with historical events, teaching important lessons while maintaining an air of mystery and excitement. Supporters of this approach argue that it is a compelling way to make education both entertaining and memorable. By framing historical exploration within the context of a mystery, these stories can captivate young audiences' imaginations, prompting them to learn more about the real events behind the plots. However, some critics suggest that fictionalizing history, especially through time travel, risks distorting factual accuracy, potentially leading to misunderstandings. The challenges and controversies associated with this concept often revolve around the balance between entertainment and education. While time travel narratives can inspire, they may also oversimplify or misrepresent historical complexities. Alternative viewpoints might suggest integrating these stories with supplemental educational resources to ensure a well-rounded understanding of history. This concept intrinsically connects to the main topic by transforming history from a static record into a dynamic experience. As children solve these mysteries, they weave history into the present, influencing their perceptions and inspiring them to regard history as a field ripe for exploration and discovery. Through these stories, history becomes not just a subject to be learned, but a world to be lived in and understood.